everybody. Lance here, J&L Cruising. We are at the Gila River Wild Horse Pass. We are on room 437, 4th floor. This is our hotel. There's the door to the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. You got a walk-in shower, looks like. Oh boy, looky here. Look at this tub right here. That's a pretty deep soaking tub. Definite. There's the commode. Shower going on right here. Oh, camera wants to go to the toilet. It's got a little bench there. That's nice. It's got your little amenities in there. And then over here, you got the sink. Dual sink. And let's go back out here. Got a nice big room. And there's Julie.
Hi everyone.
Got a nice little sitting area. Right here on the desk. We've got 2 USBs and an outlet. We have a nice little box of chocolates as a gift. There's the room, or the phone, little lamp. That's kind of a cool lamp right there. That's the do not touch, or you get charged buku bucks. Got a drawer. Fridge down below here. 2 more drawers. Got a nice little Keurig coffee pot. And that's a nice little couch sitting area. Got the closet right here. There's the safe up there. Extra bedding. There we go. That's pretty nice how they have those doors there. Nice little area with some makeup area, I guess, and then you got a night stand. Looks like back here, the lights, USB, couple of 110 volt outlets. There's our queen bed. Got the TV. Now we're looking out over the convention center. Swimming pool. Down there, nice view. Looks like they got cabanas that you get to chill in. It's got a pretty nice view of sunset there. Ooh, that's a nice little sunset going on there. Then another table. Come on, those are some funky lamps, but table, clock, and more plugs. Alright, folks, this is room 439 at the Gila River Resorts, Casino and Resorts, here at Wild Horse Pass in Arizona. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next trip.